How to fix iPhone not sending messages to Android. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. This issue usually happens when iMessages are getting stuck or when SMS or MMS is not set up properly. So go ahead and open messages and check the message type. If the icon is blue or if the bubble is blue, then it is sent in iMessage, which is possible only in Apple devices. And if the message bubble is green, then it is the SMS or MMS. So make sure if you were sending messages to someone with Android, then the bubble has to be green in color. Also, on your iPhone, go to settings and tap on the apps option there and then tap on the messages option. Further, go ahead and toggle off the iMessage toggle button for some time and then try sending the message again, and it should go as a green bubble this time. Also, in messages again, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for MMS messaging. This allows your iPhone to fall back to SMS or MMS when iMessage is not available. Also, in settings, make sure you have a proper cellular service as SMS needs a cell connection and not just Wi-Fi. So, in settings, you can tap on general and then on about, and if a carrier update is available, go ahead and update it. Now, go back to settings homepage and tap on apps and then tap on messages again. Here you will see the option for blocked contacts. Tap on that and ensure the Android contact is not listed in here. Next, go back to settings and tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Further, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings option. You see there. See if the issue is fixed or not, and lastly, if not, then you can try to contact your carrier and they will enable SMS or MMS on your plan again. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone not sending messages to Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.